Here is a simple solar power system that will be able to serve you much more better than even your 2.5 kVA generator. Now, with this solar panel, you can be able to use your TV set, your refrigerator, connect your laptop, and even connect a small flat to it. That is how powerful this system is. Now, this does not require any special skill because everything is already inbuilt. You have your battery, which takes care of storing the power, the MPPT charge controller that takes care of making sure that the power is going to the battery correctly, and then your inverter that takes care of controlling the output that come out to your socket. Now, this system is designed to ensure that you don't need any special skill to connect it. All you need to do is to connect it to your solar power system, to the solar panel through the back port here. By the time you connect it, you turn it on using this switch. Now, once you turn it on using this switch, the output, you connect it here to your socket or maybe to your changeover of your house, and then you see the power here. Right now, I'm running a demo. You get to see right now it is charging my laptop. You can see my laptop is showing that it is charging. I'm going to show you the amount of power that my laptop is taking. Right now, my laptop is taking about 5 watts of energy. Now, let me turn it off again and explain some basic stuff. I'll press the button. You'll see it has disappeared again. Now, right now, what you are seeing here is 73 or 75 watts of power that is coming in. So I'm using a 150 watt solar panel with this. That is why you are seeing this. Now the power is coming in through this back here, and then it's showing me what is going on the solar panel. As the power is coming in, we have a circuit breaker here. In the event of anything, instead of setting the whole house ablaze, it will cut off the power that is coming to the solar panel. That is the error some people are making. Now all you need to do is to connect it to the back here from your solar panel. Make sure the polarity are connected properly, and then you have it showing here. As the sun intensity goes up, that is how this value is going up. So my battery percentage is 91%, and then this is the strength of my power system. Now this can give me up to 1000 watts of energy continuously for a long period of time, for as high as 4 to 5 hours. Now if I'm using less than that, I can use it up to 7 to 8 hours. Right now you are hearing this sound because there's a cooling system that is working here. You can hear it. That is why you are hearing this sound. Now it's cooling the system to make sure that everything is working effectively. Now if you want to use up to 300 to 500 watts of solar panel, it will give you more power than this, depending on the sun intensity. So as the sun intensity fluctuates, that is how this value fluctuates too. Now this is very, very powerful. And then you have your DC connector. When you turn it on, you can connect your phone and anything here. You are going to be seeing the power that is being taken. Let me turn it off. And then by the time you put it up again, you can see our display, our wattage that we are using, and then 220 volts, 50 hertz of energy. So if you need this, you can DM me or check the link in the description box of my video to access this. This is a simple done for you. Get it, connect your solar panel to the back, and that is all. You don't need any special technicality in doing this. I did this by myself. You connect your output to your changeover here, and then all your socket in your house, and then you have your power. Your appliances can be connected here, and then in this case I'm using my laptop with this. See you guys in my next video. Thanks once again.